In this guide, I will show you step by step how to log in Danske Bank online. All you have to do is search for Google, look for Danske, this keyword, click this one. When you click this keyword, this official website, you will see this page. Click login, this one, first one, log online, and then choose your country's hot. For example, personal e-banking on North Ireland or Sweden. Just click, for example, in my case, Sweden. You will see this page, and then click this one if you want to log in with your ID or code box. Click this one and then write person name here and write your four-cipher. For example, this is my name. After that, write your four-cipher here and then click login. This is for login option. So guys, this is for app. You can also log in through this app. Download this app in Google Play or App Store. After download this app, you can use and you can download this app. You can log in successfully with your PIN, set up your codes. I hope this guide helpful for you friends. Don't forget to give like and share this video.